quiet I found.
Not the one I gave away, the one I brought in.
When nobody's watching, when noise drowns out. Use your fucking head. Use your fucking head.
Have any more idea what they're doing? You just get a higher vantage point to see how pointless most of it looks. The same argument.
Watch this.